Hello, I'm William Talianisich, and this is my project. I went with 13 Evil Guidelines for Noobs. Noobs is a derogatory term for new players, like in a video game. And for here I refer to the amateurs of layout design. So I chose to go with the satirical approach, and I went with always center everything. Looks good. Notice it's all centered. I lightened up this picture to make it a naked photo, and then I said no border walls. Of course, you should put border walls. Use as many fonts as you want. I took the Devil's Advocate. 2 is for fools. And I have 4 or 5 in there. This was one of my challenges, and that was creating a bulky border around number 4, and boxes is the way to go. And that actually, it draws your attention to it so much, but it draws your attention to the border, not necessarily what's in there. Margins are for followers living in the lines, cheat or miss. I went with that because it's an evil guideline, and you don't want to be a follower. Stair step all the time. Of course, you should not stair step. In fact, my neighbor has dead open inside door. He messed up on his garage door for his Halloween decorations. He stair-stepped incorrectly. This 4 corners and clutter. White space is the enemy. Of course, I shoved it in the corner to be, that worked out kind of perfectly. It's number 7, and it worked out in that corner. Trap your negative white space. White space is not the enemy. That's the title of our book. And so on number 7, the devil's just full of lies, and so I'm just kind of lying to you. The busier the background, the busier the better with backgrounds. There's an image from Mephistopheles from Dr. Faustus. Some call it tacky type. I call it classy. Of course, the devil would. And then I went all caps, and then that classy is underlined. I just broke all the rules there. Reasons to use bad bullets. Of course, you don't want to use bad bullets, and I just went with the greater than symbol. You are a noob, and guidelines are just another name for rules, and we break the rules because we're evil. Widows and orphans, like the book says, it's not. Those aren't very affirming names, but widows are good. I had to go with more than one word. And then orphans by itself, just there, the one word solo. This one provided all kinds of difficulties, and I'm still not done with it. I can provide all the justification you need for justified rivers. I don't have that flow going through it. Just cross the sticks and fail digital communications. That's what would happen if you turned in a board like this and you meant for it to be a good one. Let me see. I wanted like a devil image that was hovering over, but I couldn't find that, and so I just stole this guy off of it's free. Let me see here. The elements and principles of design. Did they create a hierarchy? Balance. I intentionally went a little bit off balanced. I have my devil off to the right side. I have directional dyslexia, which isn't good for this class. That's it. Any advice would be greatly appreciated. Thank you.